None of them? You got it?
Well, I haven't tried all of them.
Which one y'all want again?
2 maybe? See if there's an easier way to do it.
2?
Yeah.
Number 2.
Everybody wants to do number 2.
Alright, let's do number 2. It's that drawing right there.
You guys see how right here, that radius is pretty much 1.5 inches, right? 1.5 inch. Alright. So, I'm going to do this on my front plane just because it's going to be so much easier, right? Sometimes you got to see which plane is going to work better for you. Whether it be your front plane, right plane, or top plane. Alright? So for me though, in this case, my front plane is going to help me out. So look up here real quick guys, and then you can do it. Trust me, it's going to be a whole lot easier once I show you. Alright? So I'm just going to go to sketch. I'm going to go to sketch. I'm going to go to front plane. I'm going to click my corner rectangle. And I'm just going to make it here, right? So I'm going to start off by on horizontal. I'm going to go to my line, find the center point, find this center, add a relation right there to make it 0. Now, whatever I put this, since that's at 0, the center of this line is going to be at 0. Correct? Make sense? So now I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click, and that's 4 inches, right? So we see how it evenly distributed out to 4 inches, correct? This one is 6 inches tall, right? So bring it out 6 inches. Boom. So as we said before, the radiuses are what? 1.5 inches, right, Gannon?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna come over here, 1.5. So click this one and this one, this one and this one. Boom. There goes that, right? Now I'm just gonna make my hole. The hole is what? 2 inches, correct? So I'm just gonna put it. I know I can put it in the center line right here, but I don't want to match it up with anything else. So if I come back over here, what do we say it was? 2 inches, right? So from the top to the center, I know that the center of that hole is 2 inches also, correct? So vertically, from here to here, 2 inches, right? Check mark. Boom. So there was the original outline of it, right? Just like I showed you guys before, midpoint. So I'm going to go to features, extrude boss, change this to midplane, right? So that is 6 inches. So if I hit 6 inches, boom. Now it made it, correct? So now I gotta make the middle part right here. Now there's a slant going through it, right? So it's 2 inches in the back, 1 inch in the front, correct? So it's going at a slant, right? So, too easy, guys. All I gotta do is sketch. Remember, when I click this arrow down, I can click a plane on this also, right? So I'm gonna hit front plane. So I'm gonna take it back to my front plane, correct? So now with this line, remember, when you're using extrude boss, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just gonna click here, make this one come lower, right? Make this come all the way up here. As long as that line is at 0 straight, make it there. Make this one over here. Make that one, right? Now my distance from here to here, we had said what? 2 inches, correct? And then my distance from here to here, we have said 1 inch, right? Now, if I turn my part to the side, features, extrude cut, midpoint again, midplane. Now this one is 4 inches, right? Hit the check mark, check, bada bing, bada boom.
Yeah.
Golly. It's easy when you roll the same part for 12 years in a row.
Haven't even been doing this for 12 years.
Give me 15 years, I catch up.
Too easy? Look at Antonio.
He's like, mind blown.
I told you, it was like, I
It
just
took
wasted
5
2 years of my
minutes.
life.
5 minutes.
I was going to drop a skittle.
Skittle, skittle.
That's my favorite one too.
Can I have them?
Go for
Go
it.
ahead.